Hello. Right, here we go, Hello Fresh. We thought we'd give this a go. We were having a look at their site the other day and they had an offer code, so we thought we'll give it a go and see what all the fuss is about. So we'll get this open and see what we got. Okay, this is the first time we've had one of these. So we've seen them on other YouTube videos, but we thought we'll give it a go. Right, so these are your menu cards. Right, today's the 6th of October. So this has just been delivered just now. Right, so what have we got? So we've got bacon and butternut squash risotto. We've got 2 of those because we like the sound of that. Mexican style beef loaded wedges. Nice. Chorizo and mozzarella gnocchi. And creamy roasted butternut squash curry. And on each one you get all your ingredients, you see down the side, and then you get your step-by-step guide as you go along. And it's all done in various packs. I think we're going to go for the risotto tonight. So what we'll do is we'll get this unpacked, have a look at it, and okay, I've just opened up the bag in the bottom, and this contains all your chilled stuff. So you've got here, you've got some creme fraiche, focus, bacon, that's for me crispy bacon risotto, some beef, butternut squash, grated cheese, there's a little miniature cheese, clove of garlic. So it literally does come with all the bits and bobs, mozzarella, and then you get these ice packs. Oh, great. Okay, we'll get this opened up and see how we get on. Okay, right, so we've unpacked it all and laid it all out. Now, I'm sure a lot of you know this already. This is our first time getting used to this. So when you look at your menu card, your recipe card, so say for this one, bacon, butternut squash risotto. So that bag there, so it's number 9, and your bag is number 9. So couldn't be simpler. So you look at the ingredients on there and it all comes. So you've got your cheese, bacon, you've got your butternut squash, risotto rice, flat leaf parsley, chilli, onion, a lemon, and some garlic. Now, as I say, we got that twice, so that's that again over there. So basically just put them in the bags, in the fridge, easy as that. And then over here we've got these ones. So this one, we've got Mexican style loaded wedges. Again, so number 2 on the bag. This comes with cheese, potatoes, you've got your passata, black beans, you've got your beef there. This one, which is chorizo and mozzarella gnocchi. As you can see there, you've got everything. So there's your chorizo, mozzarella, there's a shallot, chopped tomatoes, your gnocchi, your spinach, even down to your chicken stock. What's this one over here? So this one we've got, this is number 39. There's your 39 bag. Now this is creamy roasted butternut squash curry. So butternut squash, onions, cashew nuts, risotto rice, creme fraiche, and your spice mix. So yeah, I mean we got 5 meals. It was a 5 meal thing, and I think our discount was just about 60% off. I think we got all this lot for about £16 something. So we're going to try the, which one are we going to try tonight? We're going to go for the bacon and butternut squash risotto. So hopefully it will look like that, and we'll let you know how we get on. Okay, that's what it should look like. That's my attempt. Not too dissimilar. The only thing is you're supposed to add the chilies, but Mrs. James B doesn't like it too spicy, so I put my chilies on the top. There we go.